Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today we were in Asda, and I don't normally buy anything from Asda, tech-wise at least. And there was this, a mouse, and it looked exactly the style I like to use. And my mouse is nearly dead. It's wireless, but the battery's dying much quicker. And I can tell sometimes it's double-clicking, single-clicking. And when you're trying to edit a video or do anything like that, it's awful. So I thought I'll get ahead of the game. I'll get myself a new one, and we'll go from there. So this is the one I'm going to edit. I'm going to review, unbox, and we'll have a look at see how it is. As I say, I've not bought any tech from Asda, so I've got no preconceived whatever. And again, I've bought this with my own money, so it's, you know, it's completely unbiased, etc. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my patrons. You guys are absolutely fantastic. I really appreciate everything you've done for the channel. You guys are awesome. If you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, this is the wireless mouse. This was £20 from Asda, and I've never spent £20 on a mouse. I've never had money, you know, my entire life really. But I do need one for when I'm editing and playing games. No, I mean all editing and all grown-up stuff. So I thought I'd spend a bit more on a mouse and see if it's any good. This says it's got blue trace and it's on-the-fly DPI switching, which, to be honest, is most mice these days. Okay, it's got the single button for the DPI shift, battery life indicator, 3 thumb buttons, and a Windows button. Now that might be annoying. That's where your thumb rests. I might end up pressing that by mistake. But let's open it and have a look. One thing I've just noticed, it actually comes with batteries. That is annoying. I should have checked to see if it was actually USB rechargeable. I thought for £20 it's definitely gonna be, but why batteries? Nah. Alright, I just left because as soon as I got this out I was like, nope, not keeping this. It doesn't feel a good plastic. If you have a look, it's actually coming away from the seams. It just feels like really cheap plastic, and it's actual battery operated. £20 and they couldn't put a blinking lithium battery in there and have it wireless chargeable, you know. Bit disappointed in that, but let's do a little bit of let's see, give it a go. I'm not going to use those batteries because I will be taking this back, but I just want to see how rubbish it is. Okay, before I put the batteries in, like with all wireless keyboards, keyboard and mouse, the actual dongly bits in there. And it's so annoying that I bought this instead, because there was a wireless keyboard and mouse set for £18. The mouse looked a little bit less comfortable than this. I wanted this style, but I didn't get it because I was buying this. There was no point getting another mouse. That's annoying. Right, I'll go and test this now. Okay, before we rip this thing to shreds, this is a nice blue indicator. Great. The whole thing is coming away, as I showed before. It's actually sharp on the edges. Oh, by the way, sorry, that's the only thing I like, is it's got a little blue indicator. The fact is that it's got this blue indicator because it's actual batteries, which I hate. But yeah, this is actually sharp all the way around here. You could, I would say possibly, you might be able to cut yourself if you were to push that around enough. Can you see where it's leaving a line? I reckon that could cut you, but anyway. So, that's the great things. Here is the thing that you tie the like a wire up with, yeah? Look at this. This, oh, sorry, let me just turn it this way, just to completely show you. So, yeah, we know this is a piece of bendy wire, yeah? Nothing? This button here is so sensitive. Look, I didn't even get ready to press it then. It's so sensitive, you can't even rest your finger on it. It's mental. That's what... Do you know what I mean? I could probably use a piece of string. So it is so sensitive you can't rest your hand. But now I'm going to actually try and play with it, but I literally couldn't even... It took about 3 minutes to actually connect after taking it in and out loads of times. And while I was trying to do stuff, every time I'd accidentally right click it. So anyway, I'll be back in a minute after I've tried to play something. It's almost impossible not to click. It's done my head in already. The speed's okay. Yeah. Although the button just came back out. I hate it. Right, it is an absolute horrible thing. I'm so disappointed with it. I was looking forward to having a nice comfortable mouse, and as I've said, it's falling apart. This is just, it's impossible not to click it. Just rest in your hand. There you go, I pressed it. Just resting my hand on it. I'm pressing it. I'm literally not even putting my weight of my finger on it. It's actually clicking it from up here because it's so blinking. It's so, oh, now it stopped clicking. Now it's not even clicking. That one's clicking. Oh, and now it's clicking. It's an absolute piece of rubbish. £20 that was. That is going back tomorrow morning without fail. That is an absolute piece of rubbish. So disappointed. Just quickly, I'm putting it away and, oh, it's back working again. This keeps stopping working and then suddenly it's not. There you go. Not working at all. And this one's fine. Nothing. Oh, nope. And now it's working again. It's something if you press up here somewhere. There you go. So yeah, if you press up here, something holds the switch down. There you go. Absolute piece of crap. Oh, absolute piece of rubbish. Do not buy it. Do not buy it. Do not buy it. Asda Tech is a joke. Okay, so this is a piece of rubbish. Do not buy this. Do not try this. Do not... It could be just a one-off, but the fact that it was so poor, just... I've never had a mouse like it, and I've bought some cheap rubbish off the internet, you know. This was the worst mouse I've ever owned. So I will not buy from Asda Tech sort of things again, probably, until I forget about it, then I'll buy it probably. But yeah, I do not advise using this at all. I will be buying another one which I will review shortly, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm just so disappointed. The mouse was just, every part of it didn't work. Every part that should have worked didn't work. You know, the only thing is it did connect, but other than that, it was just a pile of poo-poos. So yeah, do not advise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.